If you're looking for a quick and easy way to earn money online, then you definitely need to stick around and watch our whole video for today. In today's video, we're going to share with you a new set of websites that's going to pay you $15 per click. Now, these aren't the websites that you've already heard from us before. These websites are new and fresh and will definitely blow your mind. All of the websites that we're going to be sharing with you today is available to everyone from all parts of the world, and they're absolutely, without a doubt, 100% free. If you want to know more, then make sure that you watch throughout this whole entire video from start to finish so that you won't get confused about today's method. And make sure that you don't skip a part so you don't miss any important details, because if you do miss important details, then chances are you won't get your desired results. Before we get right into today's video, if it's your first time in the channel, welcome to the Money Shark channel. In this channel, we upload videos on how to make money online so you can try them out for yourself and start making your own money. If you want to be a part of this channel, then don't forget to click the subscribe button down below to be a part of our making money online journey, and hit the notification bell beside it to be the first to know whenever we upload a brand new video. Without further ado, let's just get right into the video. The first website that we're going to be sharing with you today is called Surfbox.com. This is how their website looks like. If you scroll down, you'll see that this website pays out 1 cent per click, 1 cent per referral click. They have instant payments, and their statistics are detailed. Now, that might not sound like hundreds or millions, but just imagine that's per click. And in a day, you could get 500,000 clicks, and that's just a rough estimate. But let's say you do get 500,000 clicks in a day. That's $5,000 in just one day. Still underestimating it? No? Exactly. Now, this website pays out through Payeer and Perfect Money. Unfortunately, they don't have PayPal, but don't worry, because the following websites will have PayPal as one of their payment options and a whole lot more, so make sure that you stick around for that. To start making money with this website, just go ahead and click on the register button, which you can find at the upper right part of your screen, and that should take you right here. Input your username, your email address, your password, and then hit on register, and boom, there you have it, an account, and you can immediately start earning money. Next website we have is called Scarlet Clicks, and to get to their website, you can simply type in scarlet-clicks.info, and that should take you to here. And as soon as you get to their website, this is what you're going to be seeing. Click ads. Click on ads and get paid up to 1 cent each, up to 100% referral earnings. Earn money. You can earn by clicking ads, completing offers, and referring new members, and then cash out. You can cash out through Skrill, Nettler, Payeer, ATM, and Bitcoin account. The minimum to cash out is just $2. So us, as members, we can earn up to 1 cent per click. There's a $2 minimum payout, which is absolutely and incredibly low, and payments are sent via Skrill, Nettler, ATM, Payeer, and Bitcoin. You can earn up to 100% referral earnings, detailed statistics of your referral clicks, and professional support as well. So to register here, just again look at the upper right of the screen, hit on register, and just like that, you should be able to sign up as per instruction, and boom, you will have an account in no time. Our third and personally the best website for us is called Serpclix.com. As you can see, grow your SEO rankings using crowdsourced click traffic. It is low cost. There's a DIY option that's easy to use. You can start in 60 seconds. They are real clickers, which are us, and there are no bots here. So there's a chance and there's an opportunity for everybody. Now the way this works is that when a company owner pays Serpclix, Serpclix will take a portion of that pay and give it out to the people who signed up as clickers, and those clickers are us. Now the best part about this platform is that you can actually earn 5 to 10 cents per click. So if in the previous websites you can earn 1 cent per click, in this website you can earn 5 to 10 cents per click, which is insanely higher, relatively higher than the past websites. There is also a 10% referral commission, and there's a payout minimum of $5, which is also low and is still great, but it is relatively higher than the previous website, but that is understandable since their pay per click is higher than the previous websites. So as you can see, all of their clickers are paid out through PayPal, which is amazing, and you won't even be required to apply anymore. Anyone from any country can work for Serpclix. We do not filter or interview workers, so this is a great option for easy money in countries with low job opportunities, and we love a website that considers everyone. So to sign up on the homepage, just click on product right here, then choose become a clicker, which will then take you to this page, and all you need to do is click on this, click here to get started button, and that should help you sign up and let you start making money right away. If you're enjoying this video so far, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe if you haven't yet, and hit the notification bell beside it to be notified every time we upload a brand new video. Now let's continue. So our fourth and the last website for today is called Ysense.com, and compared to the last ones that we've shown you, this has more ways to earn. As you can see, it says that you can get paid for trying new products and services. You can download apps, you sign up for websites, you watch videos, and so much more. So compared to our previous websites, this would be the one that has the most methods of earning. So this is also another great way to really maximize your earnings every month and maximize your income stream. So you can also earn cash for taking free paid surveys while influencing the next generation of products, services, and much more. And there is a referral system too. So share Ysense with your friends and watch your earnings grow. You will earn up to 30% of what your referrals make. As far as their payment methods, you can get paid through Amazon gift cards, Payoneer, PayPal, and Skrill. So there's a lot that you can choose from, which is just great. So to sign up, you can just click on join now on the upper right again and follow their sign up process as they will instruct you to, and boom, start earning. And that is basically everything. So make sure that you try all the websites together all at the same time if you can, and you'll be earning hundreds, if not thousands of dollars every single day, and you basically have to do nothing at all. This literally will not need you to lift much of a finger. You just need to do some clicks, make some clicks, leave some links, and your money will literally be just going in like wildfire and on complete autopilot. So try it out, let me know in the comments down below, and we hope that you guys have an amazing day. And that is it for today's video. If you haven't already, make sure that you leave a like down below to show your love and support for this video. Also, smash that subscribe button down below to subscribe to the channel if you haven't done that either. And make sure to click the notification bell beside it to be the first to know when we upload a brand new video on how to make more money online through different methods. Thank you so much for watching. We hope you enjoyed it, and we will see you in the next one.